There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you.
So happy Saturday. We're at the mall and this one is riding a thingy magic. A super powerful thingy she's trying to get the hang of. So we came out to buy some shoes, and this not great. Buying shoes for her is not, it's not an easy task, which is strange because I don't know, it's just strange. The shoes that we're looking for, the type of shoes that we're looking for, we're not finding. So maybe we'll have to do some shopping in Toronto or something like that. Just because, whatever. But she needs shoes, and as a growing footish child, she needs shoes quite often. So we don't buy a lot, but we want to buy good shoes so that they're not going before she grew them out. So yeah. So they've got all of them there. Them gone. So she have 10 minutes on the ride. We bought one pair and we're gonna have to look for another pair at some point in time. But at least for now, she has one pair because she never have none. But yeah, that's what our Saturday is looking like. But once they come back, once they finish the ride, we're going to have some lunch and go home. Can't be before work. So me take out my braids, guys. It did break out my face really bad. Talk to you later.
chair.
Look where you're going, please. Don't watch me. Keep going. Oops.
Ah, I have to be careful. Daddy, I'm doing it.
So you have to look where you're going. Look, there's somebody coming out. Stop.
Or they can stop. Or they can stop.
Should be.
When all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well.
What?
Don't know where you are. 'Cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it.
Nope.
You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do.
Yeah.
I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I
First day of school. How do you feel? First day of school.
Should ask yourself that question. Remember, I got it
I'm
already.
nervous. I'm nervous. She looks okay. She seems.
Excited.
Huh?
She excited.
Yeah. And so there is a new kid. I feel like I missed it the first time, and I'm so sad because I still wanted the first one, and I didn't get it.
Park come down, so that means you can come and stop park. But
Well, there's double lines here, so.
what that means?
I don't know. What?
This is a bicycle lane.
In Miglai Road?
It's not in the middle. This is a park.
But that's what I'm saying, that the double lines not mean you can't park.
See, it's a bicycle lane.
Well, I don't know what bicycle lane. There was some bicycle lane in Jamaica. Babe! Our baby's in school! And she's gonna come home and teach us French. I'm trying to learn with Duolingo, but I'm reading more than I'm actually saying it, which I don't think is very beneficial, but yay! Cold a bit bad. So much for spring,
So,
minus
so
28.
Like they
The
are
bug in here.
like them wherever.
No, it's just like, it's not wherever you can find a hill. maybe just mean, I imagine it's higher when the snow is, you know, like in the heights. Guys, I'm going to put the phone back in our pocket because my hand them cold, my face cold. And Siobhan needs gloves. Where can I find good gloves? Because I feel like I'm not really finding good gloves that make sense. So, if you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments. So guys, happy Friday. So, alright, I'm telling you why I'm asking my teeth, right? So, babe gonna pick up Chevy. I'm gonna come home and them don't know I'm gonna come home, right? I'm gonna know I'm gonna come home. So, may I go try and frighten them when they come in. So I'm gonna go out. I go hurry up and beat and so. I'm gonna see if I have enough time. I think that maybe they like. Yes. So maybe I have like 10 minutes. I don't want to put the camera in my seat, but just need to figure out where we can put it where them not gonna see too quick. Yes, my big egg let me know. I took a trap. Which part we can't catch it? But the phone now got shattered. Then I go see. No. Why this ad? I hope people set up sitting every minute when them prank on them somebody. I want them to catch the little person too. Okay, wait. Kinda can't work. Not the band up of this suitcase. So now I'm gonna see everything. What the... What are they? Okay. Catching the band up of the ear fresh, yeah. Alright guys, so mama. When did you know? When you saw the phone?
No, I'm not surprised you.
You got the Uber notification, didn't you? Oh.
You go call the phone, so I'm surprised.
Eh?
You go call the phone.
Oh, it's Booby. I thought you'd be so happy. Eh? The what?
Choose the intercom.
Oh. Because me tell them sit now. She's sad. I scared her, guys. I'm sorry. I thought it would be fun. I thought you'd be happy I was home early. I know, but I thought you'd be happy. I didn't mean to scare you so bad. Happy Friday. How's it going?
Good.
Yeah. Like school, huh? Tell them how you feel about school.
I feel that's good. Fine and good.
Fine and good. That's it. The man had for surprise. I figured he might have gotten a notification when I called. But I wondered if it was so early that you wouldn't think about it too much. Eh?
You give it away when you ask if my coffee should be.
Oh. But I didn't leave yet when I asked you that.
On the way there to get the notification.
It's the weekend. Oi. Go beard my body.